Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. It's a beautiful boat. It's a top seller that we have here. It's in the gorgeous Abaco blue color, and it's powered by twin 300 Mercuries. It's just plenty of power for this boat. Great get up and go. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on the 320 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. They're powered by the twin 300 Mercs. And then if you're just out for a ride or going to the beach or going out to dinner, you've got a really nice, comfortable seat, high back, a lot of leg support underneath, so you can fit 3 adults very, very comfortably in the back. And as we move over to the seat, I'm going to show you the back portion of it. This is where your ladder gets stored, and this is the ladder that's door. So this is a fantastic option on the boat. It's the safest way to get on the boat. A lot of the docks that floating docks that you get on and off, the dock is right here, same level, so it's an easy on and off. It's very, very safe, even for the elderly as well. And you've got a rail that you can use to pull yourself in when you're coming out of the water. So really, really nice feature with the dive door. Then if you are going to fish, this folds back up. You've got the live well right here, so it's a good size live well. And it also doubles as a really nice cooler. If you're not going to fish, you can put all your drinks in there, ice it down. It's insulated, and it'll be self-draining as well. So really big prep area here. Drink holders, storage. You got a refrigerator with a freezer. It holds about a half a 10-pound bag of ice for drinks. And then if we move back over to the seat, this will lock in this position. And you have a really nice lounger facing forward along with the seat in the front. So very comfortable if you just want to lounge 2 people very comfortably. This comes back, now you can lounge facing the other way. So just an incredible seat. Whoever designed it was brilliant. The boat does have an enclosure in it, which will completely enclose the cockpit area. And you've got a really nice companion seat over here. It's a good captain seat on any boat. So it's 2 people very, very comfortably, and it also has an automatic up and down. So if you get someone that's a little bit shorter, you can raise it up or lower it down to fit the height of the people that are sitting in the seat. Very nice. So we move to the helm. A lot going on the helm. You've got a Raymarine VHF. You got your Fusion stereo. SmartCraft is your computer that monitors all the pressures and temperatures and all the stuff on the boat, and you got 2 big Raymarine touchscreens on here, so you've got the good electronics up here. You can go anywhere you want with this boat and not have a problem with, especially with the backup. You got trim tabs, a digital throttle and shift. You've got a spotlight, and then the remote control here. It'll do anything you want. I can dock this boat in any conditions. I can make it go sideways. I can twist it and angle it a little bit. You get a safe docking 100% of the time with this joystick. It's incredible. 2 other things that it does, it has a sky hook on it. I hit that and it will lock me in position. So if I'm waiting for a slip assignment, I can hit the button. I can go out and put my fenders all out and lines and all that without the boat moving all around on you, going back and trying to correct it and that type of thing. And then I use it a lot for sunset. I come in at the end of the day, I point the bow at the sunset, and we can sit up front. It's a nice place to have a cocktail. And the boat's always facing that way. The quiet motors are in the back. You don't even hear them. And when you're all done, you just hit the button, and off you go, bring it in for the day. And lastly, it's got an auto heading on it, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. So all you got to do is you got a boat with a line that comes up. And if I was going to Key West, I'd just aim it to a little off the marker at Key West, hit the button, and it's going to take me straight there. It's going to get me there faster, use less fuel, and I can actually sit and enjoy myself and participate in the conversation, still keeping an eye on where we're going, but I'm not driving the boat the whole time. And then we have the little cabin. So if you want to have a little nap, it slides down and turns into a bed. And it's very comfortable, pretty good size for a 32-foot boat. Nice head. It's got a lot of room in it. It's got the teak seat if you want to change your clothes and get dressed, and that's the type of thing. At the end of the day, you can shower yourself off. dinner without having salt and suntan lotion all over you. So very, very nice head with the sun. Fantastic. And lastly, we come up to the bow. You got a place for a table here as well. 2 big lounges here. Another 5-6 people very comfortably up here. And then you've got the windlass, which is your recessed anchor, which is real nice. And you got the beach boarding ladder, which deploys out when you pull up to the beach. And you can get on and off the boat right from the beach without getting in the water, like on the back of the boat. So really nice feature on that. And if you do come on, it's got a shower. You can rinse all the salt and everything off here before people get back on the boat. So this boat is a phenomenal all-around boat. Does everything very well, very comfortably, fast, you name it, it does it. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.